x plus 2 to the power of 4 equal to 16. We want to find the value of x. Without further delay, let us begin. Solution: x plus 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 16. This left hand side could be written as x plus 2 all squared times 2 equal to 16 could be written as 4 square. Now let us transfer 4 square to the left hand side, so that will be x plus 2 all squared times 2 minus 4 square equal to 0. Now recall that a square minus b square is equal to a minus b times a plus b. This is the difference of 2 square. Using this identity on this left hand side, we're gonna have x plus 2 all squared minus 4 close the bracket times x plus 2 all squared plus 4 equal to 0. Let's continue. If you expand x plus 2 all squared very well, you're gonna have s squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 4 close the bracket times. Expanding this also very well, we have the same thing, s squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 4, everything equal to 0. Let's proceed further. Clearly, 4 minus 4, that goes, we are left with s squared plus 4x times s squared plus 4x, 4 plus 4, that is 8, equal to 0. This implies that s squared plus 4x is equal to 0, or s squared plus 4x plus 8 is equal to 0. First, let us consider this quadratic equation. You can see that we can factor out x. It is common. Doing that, we have x into x plus 4 equal to 0. This implies that x is equals to 0, or x plus 4 is equal to 0. Clearly, x equal to 0. This is the first solution. Let us call it x1. Or if we move 4 to the right hand side, x is equal to minus 4. This is the second solution. Let's call it x2. Now, let us solve this other quadratic equation. Let's manage this side. S squared plus 4x plus 8 is equal to 0. We can solve this using quadratic formula. So let us quickly solve it using quadratic formula. X is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c divided by 2a. This is the quadratic formula. From this equation, a is equals to 1, b is equals to 4, and c is equals to 8. So let us plug all these values into this right hand side. X equal to minus, what is b? B is 4, plus or minus square root of b square, that will be 4 square, minus 4 into A is 1 into C is 8. Just extend this. Everything divided by 2 into A is 1. So x is equals to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 square, that is 4 times 4, 16, minus 4 times 1 times 8, that is 32. Everything divided by 2 times 1, that is simply 2. X equal to negative 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 32, that is negative 16, divided by 2. Let's proceed further. X is equals to minus 4 plus or minus. I can rewrite square root of minus 16 as square root of 16 times square root of negative 1. Everything divided by 2. So x is equals to minus 4 plus or minus. What is square root of 16? That is 4. Now, let's consider the square root of minus 1. Don't forget, from the complex number, square root of minus 1 is simply equal to I. So we have I here divided by 2. X is equals to, I can factor out 2 from this numerator. So that will be 2 into minus 2 plus or minus 2i divided by 2. Clearly, 2 cancels 2. We are left with what? We are left with x equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2i. This implies that, considering this positive sign first, x is equals to minus 2 plus 2i, or consider the negative sign, x is equals to minus 2 minus 2i. This is the third solution, x3. Why this is the fourth solution, x4. Therefore, all the solutions that we have for this algebraic equation, the first one is x1 is equals to 0, x2 is equals to negative 4, x3 is equal to minus 2 plus 2i, and the last but not least, x4 is equal to minus 2 minus 2i. Let us verify at least these first two solutions. Verify. The question says x plus 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16. Let us verify this first one first. When x is equals to 0, plugging it here, that will be 0 plus 2 to the power of 4 equal to 16. 0 plus 2, that is 2 to the power of 4 equals to 16. 2 to the power of 4, that is only 16, equal to 16. The left hand side is equals to the right hand side. So indeed, the first solution is correct. Let's verify the second one too. When x is equals to negative 4, so plugging it here, this expression, we have minus 4 plus 2 to the power of 4 equals to 16. Minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 2 or to the power of 4 equal to 16. Minus 2 to the power of 4, if you plug into your calculator, that is simply 16 equal to 16. The left hand side also here is equal to the right hand side. That means the second solution is also correct. Likewise, the third and the fourth one.